Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll begin by securing permission and access. Ask the owner to share via family sharing or provide Apple ID credentials. Once you have access, open the Find My app or iCloud. Calm and sign in. Make sure Find My was enabled on the missing iPhone. If it was offline, you'll rely on the last known location. Start tracking immediately so location updates can come in. This reduces drift and improves accuracy when the phone reconnects to the. Once you see a location, zoom in and read the timestamp to judge how current it is. If it's nearby, tap play sound to help locate it physically. If it's lost in public or at risk, enable lost mode to lock the device and show a contact number. This prevents access but allows return. Turn on notify when found so you get an alert when the phone comes online again. Make sure to watch movement patterns. Repeated location jumps suggest transit or a thief. If the location is stable, coordinate a safe retrieval, meet in public or arrange for the owner to pick it up. If the device contains sensitive data and recovery looks unlikely, choose Erase iPhone to protect information, noting that erasing disables further tracking. If the location jumps or seems wrong, use the last seen timestamp and provide details to local authorities rather than confronting anyone. Troubleshooting tip: if the phone shows offline, enable notify.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.